How to find remote jobs on LinkedIn on PC. This tutorial shows you how to filter job listings so you're only seeing positions that are fully remote. First, open your browser, go to linkedin.com and sign into your account. From there, click on Jobs in the navigation bar at the top of the page. After that, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in the job title or keyword you're looking for and hit Enter. At this point, a list of results will appear, along with a row of filter options just below the search bar. From here, click the Remote filter to narrow results down to remote positions only. If you don't see it straight away, click All Filters on the right side of the filter row to find it. Following this, inside All Filters, you can also set additional preferences like experience level, job type, and date posted to narrow things down even further. Once you've selected everything you want, click Show Results, and LinkedIn will update the listings to match your filters. From there, click on any job listing to open it on the right side of the page and read through the full description, requirements, and company details. If something looks like a good fit, click Easy Apply if the option is available to apply directly through LinkedIn, or click Apply to be taken to the company's website. Finally, to save a listing for later, click the Save button on the job card so you can find it again under your Saved Jobs tab. That's how you find remote jobs on LinkedIn on PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then!